Today we're going to be looking at the new Uwell Caliburn GK3 pod system, the latest Caliburn model, adopting both modern and vintage style features, integrating a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery. The device offers a 25 watt max power output, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, rocking a massive LCD screen, relaying all the information you need for an enjoyable vaping experience. With an intricate design structure, the GK3 offers simple operations, including a single button adjustment feature, draw activated firing mechanism, and dual airflow control, paired with a 2 ml Caliburn G3 pod, incorporating a redesigned pod structure with Uwell's Pro FOCS flavor testing technology, dedicated to delivering great tasting flavors and vapor production. Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel, and for those of you that are new to this page, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest vape products and reviews. Now let's get right into it and present the new Caliburn GK3 25 watt pod system by Uwell. And here we have the new Caliburn GK3 pod system by Uwell, the newest addition to the popular Caliburn line. Crafted from high-grade PCTG material, the device offers a familiar form factor build, as seen from the previous Caliburn Coco models, with similarities adopted from the GK2 model. We have this nice intricate design panel all throughout the device, available in 4 retro colorways to choose from. Here we have the red edition for today's review. Integrating a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery, the Caliburn GK3 delivers a max power output of 25 watts, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. Utilizing a draw-activated firing mechanism, the GK3 offers convenient operations with a single adjustment button, lanyard attachment point, and a USB Type-C charge port rested below. Uwell has incorporated a large prime LCD screen, allowing us to track the relevant information at a glance. With the new segmented digital LCD screen, the screen is capable of staying illuminated for a whopping 720 days, thanks to its low capacity consumption, allowing for more power to be utilized towards flavor and vapor production. The Caliburn GK3 will be paired with Uwell's G3 pod, offering a frosted exterior pod structure with a side fill system housing up to 2 ml of e-liquid. Utilizing a rotating airflow control system, we can change between big airflow or small airflow by simply placing the pod in a different direction, with the device providing a haptic feedback response. The pod will adopt the new U2 mechanism, comprised of ultrasonic welding and a U-shaped channel, which ensures full atomization of our favorite e-liquids, backed with Uwell's Pro FOCS flavor testing technology, resulting in great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTL experience. To power on the device, press the power button 5 times, and the main screen will showcase the wattage level, coil resistance, puff record, battery bars, and the Coco logo. Press the button once to turn on or off the backlit LEDs. Press the button 3 times to adjust the wattage level, increasing in increments of 1, with a max power output of 25 watts, featuring round robin. Press the button 4 times to clear the puff record. And lastly, press the button 5 times to power off the device. Overall, the Caliburn GK3 is a solid choice for both novice users and vaping veterans looking for a light, compact device to take with them on the go. The built-in 900 mAh battery ensures all-day vaping with 2 amp fast charging capabilities. Plus, with an easy-to-read LCD screen, adjustments are quick and easy to operate, leaving us with more time to enjoy our device. The package will include the Caliburn GK3 battery device, a 2 ml refillable pod utilizing a pre-installed 0.6 ohm mesh coil, a secondary Caliburn G3 pod with a pre-installed 0.9 ohm mesh coil, a Uwell lanyard, a Type-C USB charging cable, and lastly, our user manual.